Hey, 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 hello. It's okay, baby. How is it going? I hope you are getting all the love that you have always wanted. Just look at the atmosphere, man. Look at the environment. Look at the lightning. Look at the sky. It's beautiful, ain't it? It's actually, let me see. It's actually 4:42 a.m. in the morning. And man, these morning vibes are always refreshing, always fresh. Even though I haven't slept the whole night, I still feel they are very refreshing for me. So yeah, coming to the point, how was your day? So, if I were to say my day for today, it was good. It was really good. I achieved almost all of my targets, and I also managed to have very much fun. Like, literally, I can even say this is one of the best day of my life. I read books. I told the story which I was working on to my sister. I uh, I did 3 DSA question without any help, and only revision is left for me. I read the book which I was reading, Crime and Punishment, and I did the workout. Uh, One of the best day, and it was quite fun. It was really a good day for me today. Now coming to what else happened today. So yeah, I think my gym is has been compromised a bit from recent times. I think I should focus more on time when I go to gym. Maybe I should shift it from 8 to 10 in the morning, or maybe from 4 to 6 or 6 to 8 in the evening itself, cause gym sometimes closes at 9:30 or sometimes at 10, which just literally breaks whole of my workout. uh, from the past 3 or 4 workouts, I think I've been missing a lot of exercises which I shouldn't have. It ain't like I am not ready to give in the effort, but rather the gym is closing way too early. Yeah, and it was a really great day today. Me and my sister were discussing about the philosophy and everything of my childhood trauma and whatsoever happened to me. I told her and also told her how to deal with it, how to deal with people, what kind of people are there, what to learn from them, what not to learn from them, what to do, what not to do in a college life. And I think I have given her a hint, although I would really love it if she finds out herself and do not take any bad step in the college itself. Yeah. And one year, first year is almost over. No, first year is over actually. Second year starting from after a month, and I think I'm making a really good progress. And I just want to keep it up. I'm recording, I'm vlogging daily, just letting myself know what were you doing at that time. I think I should give in more effort in my workouts and as well as my studying, because right now the only thing which I am doing religiously is my book reading. Yeah, is my book reading. I don't think I am doing anything else religiously as I'm doing my book readings. Means I am excited to read the books. I don't care what content I am reading. I just take it as in and I read it. And due to my sleep schedule being disturbed again, I'm still living in yesterday instead of today. But it's fine. I know I can manage it. I now know how to live. I know how much to sleep now. And man, for the first time, like yesterday, I hit my back, and man, that feeling is so good when I feel it. Whenever I feel my back sore, means I don't know about how everyone else feels, But honestly, man, that's the best feeling. Whenever after my back workout, I feel that my back is sore, and I just love it. And my goals are as the same, which I'm repeating again. Become a software engineer in a good company where you have enough time to pursue all of your hobbies, where you can read books, you can write novels, where you can play guitar or create anything, whatever you like. You can do vlogging, and which provides you enough room and enough time so that you can work on the startup idea of making an app that you had, which is similar to Habitica, I guess that's the name. I use Google Sheets now to manage all of my activities, to manage all of my things that I do. But I think it would have been a lot better if I would have had an app that I feel I require, which does all the job for me, which is my all-in-one Instagram, Notion, YouTube, my habit tracker, my to-do list, my hobbies list, my player level, how much I am advancing, what I am doing. I mean, I need an all-in-one app for this. And let's see whether the company I end up in would give me enough chance to pursue making this or not. But yeah, for now, my dream company is Google, followed by Microsoft. Although it ain't anything like a dream company, but I just feel like it just offers me better opportunities where I can focus on myself even more. So yeah, but Google definitely takes a lot of DSA and it requires a lot of DSA skills. So I gotta work on it from the second year onwards. The 3 years I gotta give it all I have. And the thing I've realized is that maybe I can do the DSA questions which I'm supposed to do. But the thing is to manage my sleep schedule along with this, along with all this company. Like my sister is here, and it's quite hard for me to manage everything. I won't say hard, but it's kind of breaking apart. Like my sleep schedule broke today for the simple reason that I and she were talking. Although I should not consider it as something unproductive, as what's the meaning of productivity if I don't even get to talk to someone I love to? I mean, that just doesn't make any sense. After all, I am a human too, I am not a robot, which doesn't feel any emotions. Although I don't feel any emotions, but still, there is some kindness in me after all, some humanness in me after all. I'm not that bad overall, I guess so. I deserve love. I think so. Yeah. And man, thank God I did not break apart when I was telling all of my childhood trauma to my sister, and she took it very supportingly. Maybe I don't know. I think she won't judge me, but I don't know. It's something like I made my mind that it doesn't even believe anyone. Even if she ditches me or don't talk to me after this, it won't even affect me. Like, I think she's the only one I care for right now. I don't care what my mother do thinks and says about me. I only care about her and my father. And if she also maintains a distance from me after telling her all of my trauma, I don't think I would ever then share this to anyone ever again. I'll just bury it deep inside and hope that it fades away soon. Or if it does not, then maybe I'll take it to grave, but do not disclose it to anyone. And man, I'm so sorry to tell you all of this. If anyone else is watching this, uh, yes, don't give it a thought. You may skip it. You don't even know my name, and believe me, I will make sure that you don't know who I am, where I am belong to. Yeah, you guys are witnessing a sunrise with me. Actually, see, it's almost 5 and the sun is rising. And I always love these morning vibes, the fresh air. And man, just because there was a rain just before I came here, so it's all refreshing, fresh, and everything is washed away with the rainwater. It's so much good to just be here. Maybe I think it's a good time I should go and sleep now. I've already been bad at my sleep schedule, and if I do any more late now, then I might end up in some trouble. Yeah. So I think that's it. Signing off. Be happy. Yeah. Bye.